Guys, there's no way kule economy kaSirel uzoyeka umsebenzi all because ubaba Musamsele was telling you to. Angeke guys. Yes, with every single episode of Uthando Nesithembu, I'm trying to really be very optimistic and kind of see ukuthi yini engaka abafazi bayibhenefitayo from, Isithembu. But the more I watch, the more I'm convinced ukuthi it really benefits no woman. Because Samke, why would you go and leave your job because this man is saying, I'll take care of you, and then you're out here begging for a salary increase to basically live a soft life to an extent? That man would have made you comfortable the moment Akshela until now. But the fact that you left an entire 9 to 5, sana no. Or maybe him in Mali, but I see absolutely no need for her to have left her job. And I think this is also just very telling to what Isithembu really is all about. It just benefits one person, guys. Benefits Ubaba Musamsele and Uflo. That's it. Yes, it's still on the topic of benefits of being in a polygamous marriage. When uMaNgwabe and uMusa were busy speaking, and the fact that uMusa was alluding to the fact that uMaNgwabe's firstborn son is now living with them because he works Nompilo corner at the dealership. There was something that he said that kind of also just annoyed me so much that I actually wanted to shout at Mangwabe for it instead of Umusa. And what he said was that Jengoba in the past, I think when Usimpiwe or Uspiwe, the reason why Begangahlali nabo was because he basically said that he wouldn't permit it, also because uMaNgwabe bekadelela according to him. And now the reason why he's around is because uMaNgwabe has essentially agreed to stay in the marriage, and because bekagula, and so for that is what he's going to permit. And I'm like, guys, as umzali, how do you even allow for someone to even do that to you, knowing Uguti, you have a firstborn son? However, this man is not allowing you to basically have your son around you based off of the fact that when we are delela in his eyes. Not even Uguti, nangumntwana udinguma wakhe. Like, make it make sense, guys. People who believe in that whole thing, Yoguti, Mauyokana, and you've got a child of your own, kumele ushiye ingane khona legini ukuze bamkhulisa, because he's not a child of, your current husband's household or whatever the case is. It's just so ridiculous to me. And I really do love preying on vulnerable women who are young, women who they can groom and control, because no sane woman is going to ever agree ukuze angahlali nomntwana wakhe, or because indoda yakhe is saying that. I'm sorry, but like, I need for Banyana Baga to decenter lenyalo. There's nothing wrong with being in a relationship and so on, but guys, at least marry kind and considerate partners, because this would be like my 13th.
Hi bandla, akamphiwe shame. Hayi akamphiwe. Thatha umsells akamphiwe nje makhumzi. Hayi akamkhonzile, akena nje umuntu amkhonzile. I love how she clocked the man. The man wants her grown physically, mentally, nope. Akamfundi umuntu obhadlile utata umsells. Ufuna umuntu azomenza upopayi wakhe. Amfundi umuntu la. Ayifundi Froila. Froila ayifundi utata umsells. Ufuna nje upopayi. Yambolo number 5. Wonderful. You are brought here to make kids. Make kids. She does what? She makes kids. That themselves favorite ones, get those ones. Amfunji umuntu papap amfun. Now manje uthi uyaka Mayeni because he needs to sort out things with Mayeni, because he can't be fighting the whole world. He must just fight with one person. I'm sure low one person is uMakhumzi. I might be taking it out of context, but to me, how I read it is that mele I don't know one person, and umuntu alwana actively now. It was zone right now. Ipa kwa Makhumzi. What did the poor lady do? All she said was, please don't take someone from the area. Let's ignore the fact that Naish was from the area, your Munyu wife, but as Kulmi, and yeah, she was younger then. Now what she wants for herself, the man disobeyed. So if she starts taking a stance for herself, she's the villain. Saying Thanos, biggest villain to ever live. Cha, akamphiwe nkosi yami. And issue yalwa baba ukuthi une-verbal diarrhea. The whole family yakaKhumalo is mad. Kamayeni, I'm sure they're mad at him. Kamacele ke nkosi yami. Hwe. But nakamangwabe, I'm sure. Vele kaMangwabe bayibandakanya. I'm sure they're mad because why man has verbal diarrhea, he suffers from verbal diarrhea. Oh, whoa. He does not know when to stop. He does not know which words to use. Akakwazi nothetha la tata. That themselves, you are the trainer. You are the trainer because a lot of things could have been avoided if he just knew how to articulate himself. Inkinga yakho he can't articulate himself. Ulapho nje uthi igagu. Unto adu kanti chu. Akwazi nje nkosi yami ubudoda when it comes to speaking akanabo sidalo. Akanabo nje sidalo. Which is sad because what do you mean unabudoda unabafazi about 5? Mina ngabe umuntu onolimo olushelelayo nje because what you for the ladies. Anywho, Mayeni nkosi yami. Akamceli utata uvukile nkosi yami akamceli nkosi yami amceli. Shahlutha ngengeni mina leyo nto. And also he's doing him a favor because ubezobarabisha. Uzobarabisha kuhlazeke yena futhi. Utata himself, he's very good at pointing out disrespect, but he dishes out the very same disrespect. Ukonjwa Mayeni is disrespect, but isn't that the Shogma Diary sessions is not disrespect to the wives? Nah, please, my guy. Please, Dad themselves, please. The only thing that is wrong with his temper is umlomo ka Tata themselves. I've just figured it out. Umlomo wakhe nje Nkosi yami kula ma diary sessions angazi noma khona amaphika bamnika wona. Noma khona iphilisi abamphosa lona emlonyeni ukuthi kuvele kube uvuvu liyakhipha. Ayikho into nje. Ayikho into nje Tata themselves yo. He could have a good thing going. I love how Umayeni said they probably would have a better tempo setup had they all had their own homes from the onset. Like from go nje umuntu abenekhaya lakhe. Kube ukuthi ba emzombo for gatherings. They probably would have been less toxic because they would not have been in each other's faces that much. But no, Macombs has been damaged. Goed. She's always been dirty by that man. And you can see the hurt in her eyes. Also, I don't like how some gays, Makhumalo, athi mina akathatha side amtaka ma angimzwani nje umuntu ngalithatha side mina lithatha side Nkosi yami. Neutral people are so toxic. I know you're not supposed to take part vele endabeni yabantu abashadile nabajolayo, but if you're for ingane yakini iba for ingane yakini, if for umyeni iba for umyeni. Don't be neutral because as umsele kumekhuluma lezi zinto azikhulumayo ngoMakhumalo usuke uvuma uthini mina uthi yeah wrong noma uthini mawuthi awulithatha side. But anyways, yeah man, let's just wait for tonight's episode. But all in all, that themselves verbal diarrhea is the reason why he's in this predicament. Also, it's so sad how his face moves. Mingabakasho lutho strokes acishe samlimaza lo atata. Ecishe samlimaza Nkosi yami. Mayeni is my girl. Yesikabhoqo akazinqini. Love her down. But yeah, let's wait for tonight.
Wemakhwela, yona impilo ayi-envision le. Yona impilo ayi-manifest. Because Umusa Mseleku literally made Umakhwela leave her 9-to-5 job, promised to take care of her, promised to marry her, and basically life will be better. And now this marriage or this whole arrangement comes with terms and conditions, because now Umakhwela, yesterday's episode, she asked for a salary increase since he made her leave her job. And what did he say? I want another kid in return. Like, honestly, she was brought in to produce more little Mselekus at this point. And I don't even think Umakhwela will be able to produce all of these kids that he wants, because here's a goal. Umusa Mseleku wants to reach the goal of having 20 kids. And I think he has like 12. Meaning that Umakhwela must have 8 kids in order for Umusa Mseleku to reach that goal. And by the looks of things, I don't think Umakhwela would agree to this whole arrangement at some point. meaning that Umusa Mseleku will be forced at some point to bring in wife number 6 to basically reach that goal. And we know what's going to happen when...
Right, your comment about his haircut. Awukwazi ukumbiza my man. Awuna right yokubuza ngomshado wakho. Wakho like umshado wami lo mshado. Angikwazi ukwestion indoda yami. Oh, uthe ungathi uthi hayi and then yazi makhona ngidisappointed ngitshela manasa. Niyake ma women's conference nixoxani. August maniyake ma women's conference guys nixoxani. Uresign emsebenzini uresign indoda. Hayi makhwela sisayi. Uma Khumalo uyasebenza. Uma yeni uyasebenza. Uma Ngwabi uyasebenza uyinurse. Uma mkhulu nini beka champion lapha bamveza kima angazoma sorry azoma ma herbal life or ama forever living mara beka champion ungazathi beka khuphukele entweni yakhona. Uresign umsebenzi. Indoda ikuthembisile ukuthi uzokunakekela.
Hi guys, this is Prayers Kosana. If you're looking for affordable car insurance or you're looking for a car, either Reynolds Trade or Reynolds Kaiga, please do send me a DM.
Mangwabe na makakhuluma ngivele ngithi bla 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 ngidina nanoma sekazigwadisa ivele irritate kwayona into leyo. Watraumatize umntwana for into engekho. Kuyimanje nibonile le interaction yaka Mawande nobabakhe izolo. uMawande already sekane negative attitude towards ubabakhe. Ngoba watraumatize nje umntwana into engekho. And uMusa uzangitshela even if the wives want to move on and forgive. Umusa, one of his biggest problem la. One of his biggest problem. Yabona ama direct session wakhe yiwo ayo please amenza ukuthi angazwani angachayisana mara ama director waye manje sewafosta abantwana ukuthi bakhale manje. Nothando naye sekubuye lapha sekumela naye afosta inyembezi ungazathi manje hayi man aniyeke nabantwana man hayi.
If you're watching Uthando Nesthembu yesterday and you've been in a position whereby you have been a stepchild, or you are a stepchild, you have a stepmom, or you probably have a stepfather. I'm sure yesterday's episode kind of shocked you, because what do you mean Umtombeni is saying to Mangwabe, I couldn't accept your son basically or have him stay with us just because she wasn't respectful towards him. Okay, now this exposes double standards in our society, right? A woman cannot come with a child, but as a man, you have your own children that you probably got prior marriage, but you expect the woman to accept your children. Last season, there was an argument between Umangwabe and Usne because Umangwabe, there are certain things that she did for Usne as a mother, but then the same Mangwabe cannot bring her child just because the reason is she wasn't respectful. In this episode, we saw Makrele as a Melville going to Melville in that upside down house. First of all, whoa, Makrele, what are you doing in Melville, girl? Probably she went to visit Abo. But I wish we got context, right? Because as far as the show is concerned, it's either you at Mzumbe or you there in your big house in town. Right? What are you doing in Melville? So a bit of context would have been nice to say, hey, we flew with the kids from KZN to Joburg, or we're in Joburg for now. You know, that would have been really lovely. What are you guys doing in Joburg? That would have been so cool. But now, back to that scene. Polygamy is usually, they will be affected in one way or the other. It's just inevitable, right? If someone is born in a polygamous setting, it's going to affect them in one way or the other. But it's even going to affect them more if there's a spotlight as well. Then I thought it's so hard being a child because you don't choose the life you are born into. You don't choose your family. You don't choose the circumstances in which you're born under. Kids, they need therapy at some point. Not just because of the polygamous setting, but because there's a spotlight. Imagine the moment you step out of your house, people already have preconceived ideas about you based on what they watch on TV. Then we learned that some girl left her job. Her husband convinced her to leave her job. All right. Honestly, a lot of people wanted to be housewives, okay? And not work. And I think if you have the education, it's fine. Because at any time, at any point, you can always go back if you have education. And I think it's bad for someone who has no education at all. They are told to leave maybe a job, when they go back to the market, to the job market, they don't even have qualifications. It's always tricky. If you have the right education, okay, cool, you can be a housewife. But as Usamge now, let's be realistic. Can you really afford to be a housewife? Because your husband is he's not that old, but he is old. He's got a lot of responsibilities. And also, him becoming sick for me would have been a reason for me to stay in my job. I would have said, listen, life is so fickle. We've seen how life is so fragile, and I don't want to leave my job because, God forbid, if something was to happen to you, these wives don't care about you. So you gotta have something for yourself. Have money, put that money on the side, for yourself. Or even now, when you're not working, get into influencing, ask Tirelo to mentor you, to show you how to get into influencing and make money so that you have your own money. So when, or rather if, shit hits the fan, you are sorted. I know a lot of you are taking it too personal that Umselegu gave you some 100 rands. He's saying, don't question me about when am I cutting my hair. Can I be honest with you? I know men like that. Men like that, let me tell you about men like that, okay? So Baba Mselegu is probably one of those men in public who like to have that, performative masculinity. Yeah, but so that he comes across as a man of principle, a traditional man. In private, he's probably soft. He will surprise you. So Osamge knows that private side of him, that, oh, this is my man. He probably even enjoys being called like that. Literally, she can even touch his head anyhow, he doesn't care. Even the 100 rands thing is very performative. I'm sure when the camera stopped rolling, he said, hey, Samge, here's some 5K for you, or 10K. That was just so that he doesn't come across as, oh, he's got a favorite wife. Continues to say, oh, Samge, umsebenzi wakhe into ayizele is to make babies. Basically, she's here to make babies. That's her duty. I'm just like, this man, you shouldn't take him serious, honestly. He's a rage baiter of note. This man is a businessman, guys. He knows the things that he will say on TV that are gonna shake people, shock people, and make you be like, oh my word, why did he say that? This man, he knows exactly what he's doing. He's cooking. This guy is a TV producer, guys. He needs to make his money. So he's got a guy. He will say a lot of troublesome things just to shake you.
Ngikhuluma noMakhwela kuphela mangabe awuyeni uMakhwela ngodlula. If you are not uMakhwela dlula ungakhulumi thula. Makhwela isikoko zami vale mfana vale ngoba le ukuyo Julie. Yabo for the mere facts ushade indoda enganobaba wakho ngeminyaka kodwa uzalele. Yabo uthi ushade indoda enganobaba wakho ngeminyaka kodwa uzalele isibhedlela sikahulumeni ndoda hayi mina ngabe kudala ngasuka lapho hayi angeke. Yabo into ekutshela ukuthi uye kumsebenzi ungasasebenzi beceda itshela ukuthi hayi ukhuleka dedele igazi ngizokunakekela yabo lapho wazi khona ukuthi hayi something is beating the water khona ukushaya amanzi la. No man, yeah, kasikhokho vale mfana.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. So people are reacting to uthando nesithembu. Bantu labaningi bafocus kakhulu endzabeni yaMakhwela ukuthi Makhwela reveal indzabe yokuthi yena wayekela umsebenzi because Musamseli kwamtshela ukuthi ayekele umsebenzi otomsupporta and bekaqala increase kumseli kwathi if ufuna increase emalini yakho, you know what to do baby. Awungitholele lenye ingane, meaning ukuthi ukuze athole increase uMakhwela kufuneke ukuthi athole lenye futhi ingane yes2. And indlela ngibona ngakhona ngazuthi umsele kuyamtselela kakhulu kuMakhwela. Hey guys, akanomkhulumisa uyabona nje ukuthi akamkhulumisi kahle kubonke nje abafati bakhe uyehlela ngala kumakhwela. People are judging umakhwela ngokuthi ayibokele ungathi ubona ukuthi livele mabhekotwana libheke etulo so wena uwekela umsebenzi for indoda. Hayibo. Please do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.